What is that?
Purple.
Okay, next one, please. Which color?
Green.
Good job, Gracie. Which color?
White.
Thank you, Gracie. Good job.
Red. 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 Red.
Oh, which color?
What?
Which color this one? What?
Red.
Thank you. Correct. And then next one, please.
White.
Yeah, good job. Which color is it, Gracie?
Pink.
Good job. Which color is it? Which color is this one?
Green is the
Which color?
red.
Good job. Okay, we need one space, so Daddy will give it to you another cover with a small hose. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna start again. Okay, see? Can you please start again? Which color?
Green.
What?
Green.
Green. Okay. Can you please try another one, please? Which color?
Pink.
Good job. Which color?
Red.
Good job, Gracie. Good job. Which color?
Green.
What?
Green.
Green. Okay. Can you please try another one, please? Which color?
Red.
Blue. Correct. Which color?
Purple.
Good job, Gracie. Which color?
White.
White. Okay. Daddy will ask you about the shape. Okay. What is that? Dark. Good job. What is that?
Car.
Car. Let me see the car. Is it correct? Yeah, it's a car. Good job, Gracie. What is that?
Telephone.
Telephone. Good job, Gracie. Let me turn it around. Okay. What is that?
House.
House. Oh, good job, Gracie. What is that?
Fish.
What? What was that?
Fish.
Fish. Good job, Gracie. And then
Duck.
dog. Good job, Gracie. What is that?
Telephone.
Telephone. Good job, Gracie. Good job. You know everything. The duckling. Okay?
Daddy.
You know how to do the duckling, Gracie?
Yes,
You know how to
Daddy.
make it. Can you please make a duckling?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you. Can you please try it again?
Yes, Daddy.
Show me. Daddy want to see. Is it really a duckling or not? Ooh. Can you please take it out? Wow! It's a duckling! Good job! It's a beautiful duckling, Gracie. It's beautiful.
I make the daddy.
Yeah, you make the duckling, Gracie. Can you please make a card for me, please? This is a card, okay? That will help you to take the cover because it's very strong.
It's very strong.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yay!
Can you please make a Ooh. Is it easy? Oh, you know how to do it now, Gracie. I want to see it. Wow, it's a car! It's a beautiful car, Gracie. Wow. You make a car, Gracie. You make a car. It's a beautiful green car. Okay, Daddy want to see a fish. Can you please draw a fish for me? Oh, you are very strong, Gracie. Now you can open it. Yeah, like this. And press it. That's it, Gracie. Easy one. Yeah, it's beginner fish, and Daddy can help you to make it beautiful, okay? First, we need to roll it up like this, and this one is okay now, and put the cover here and put on top of the fish, and then press it, okay? Press it. That's it. And then take it off. You can take it off now. Can you please take it off this one? Yeah. Let me see, it's a fish. Wow, it's a fish now, Gracie, it's a fish. Yay, it's a fish. Fishy, 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 fishy. Ooh, it's a beautiful fish.